What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Michael Knapp Fishing. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. That boat is really hot in my arms. Stuff is falling everywhere. Today's video, we're kind of scattered all over the place. I had like 6 videos to film today, and I figured we'd knock it all out at one time. And anyway, today's video, we're going over the Better Boat dehumidifier bags they sent me. I didn't talk about these in the other video because I felt like these deserved a video all on their own because I'm really excited about them. I don't know much about them, so we're going to learn together. So we're going to roll that intro and we'll get into it, guys. All right, guys, so Better Boat dehumidifier bags, air purifying charcoal. So let's see here. Premium boat care activated charcoal deodorizes and purifies air, leaving it fresher and cleaner, absorbs moisture and musty, stagnant odors from the interior of your boat. So any of you guys that have kept up with me on Instagram know I have lost 3 inflatable life jackets to humidity and moisture in my compartments. So when I talked to Better Boat about it, they're like, hey, we've got something for you, and hopefully it'll put an end to that. So we're gonna open one of these bad boys up and just kind of, all right, there's no instructions with it. I'm trying to figure out, oh, here we go, directions for use. Remove bag from carton and discard clear wrapper paper. So we're gonna open this up, this wrapper paper here. Get this out. Ah, okay, all right. Now, unfold the bag and hang in your desired location. Give bag space on either side to allow for air circulation. When the white crystals have completely dissolved, discard the bag with liquid. Note, charcoal does not dissolve. To keep air fresh, hang a new bag. So it's got a little hanger on it. Love this. Yeah, I'm really excited for this. So we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put it. One box comes with 4 of these bad boys in them. Like I said, I'm really excited for these. So we're just gonna do one right now on camera, and I'm actually gonna put it right where the camera's sitting. So let's see here. Maybe if I just back you guys up like so. And voila. So you actually got a little bit of shade down there now. So now comes the question of, can we hang this without getting it hooked? That's the question. See, I know it'll hang here. That ain't no problem. Problem is when we close it, it may get caught on something. So let's see here. I know I can hang it down there too. Let me see here. No, that's gonna slide in and out of there. Actually, I might be able to just hang it right there, to be honest. Let's see what happens when I hang it there. Hey, it closes. Got it hanging there. We're gonna give that a whirl. I like where it is. I like where it's sitting. We allowed, we're allowing the allowing airflow for the charcoal to do its thing. So there's one of them. We've got that one hung. We've got a second place that we're gonna hang these. So we're gonna go ahead and open up another one. We're just gonna do 2 at a time just to see, how it goes. So this one, I'm gonna have to grab y'all. We're gonna put in the back because we do get a lot of moisture back there. And like I said, we have had some life jackets go off, which is very, very aggravating. So, stick you all there. We're gonna open up this compartment here. There's, oh God, yeah, and you can just smell it, which really sucks. I need to get my helmet out of here because the helmet is gonna need to get ready for winter time. Doesn't really smell all that bad, but it still does stink just a hair. So we're gonna have to get that ready for winter time. Get out my rain jacket, just kind of get everything prepared for the winter. And we're gonna go ahead and put this in there as well. I've been looking for that G juice for a while. It's amazing the things you'll find when you actually go through here and clean stuff out. All right, so in this compartment, literally all I'm gonna keep in here is my helmet and my new Mustang life jacket. It shouldn't be any issues with the Mustang because it is a hydrostatic system. I couldn't think of what it was called all of a sudden. It's a hydrostatic system, so we shouldn't have any problems with it. So I'm thinking about just hanging it just like that, and should come in and out just like that. And yeah, I mean, shoot, works for me. So we may want to add a little something in there just for it to hold on to and grip onto, because I don't know how it's going to do in the rough water and whatnot. But it looks good to me. It looks like it's going to work. I could probably hang it up here too, actually. Well, no, it might get stuck there. So we're going to put it here, hang it there. We're going to let that hang out in there, try and get everything nice and demoisturized and get all that crap out of there. We're gonna have to figure out the helmet situation, try and get it cleaned out, because like I said, we were in a lot of rain this year, got a lot of issues there that we needed to probably should have taken that helmet out, but we did have to use the helmet in some of those high rain conditions. So these are going to be something that these dehumidifier bags are going to be something that really come in handy for when it does rain, and we just have to have stuff in here for that rain situation. So these are going to come in handy quite a bit. We're going to go ahead and close this up. So like I said, guys, something different, something cool that should be able to help us out quite a bit. Huge thank you to Better Boat. Much appreciated you guys sending me all that gear. They sent me a bunch of cleaning products as well as the dehumidifier bags. Guys, do me a favor, if y'all like these videos, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me if you ever use these dehumidifier bags. I think they're really cool. I like them a lot. I'm actually gonna put one more in the battery compartment back here just because it does get a little damp from time to time. So I'm gonna drop one in there, and then I think we'll be good, and we'll save that fourth one for actually I may put that in like the tackle box or the other rod locker or something. I don't know yet, haven't figured that part out yet. But anyway, guys, if y'all see me out on the water, bright blue Falcon, white pine marine on it, running that Pro XS Mercury, come say hello, let's talk fishing, and we'll shoot around for a little while, have some fun. Take care, guys.